Hi and welcome to the Samsung videos. In this video we will take a look at the camera and some of the features that the camera's got and how to get the best out of your camera. So to go into your camera you need to tap on that icon there. If it's not on your main screen you'll find it under apps and just open it up and you'll be presented with this view here. Now unfortunately, because I've got the camera sitting flat, we can't see any image in the screen, so it's going to make it a little bit difficult for me to focus in on things. However, you can see that there is that round focusing circle on the screen that pops up, and then there's usually a red or a green circle afterwards. Now green means it's focused in on something and red means it's not able to focus in on anything. You can also use your fingers to zoom in and out of pictures that you're taking by using your fingers to pinch in and out on the screen. Now I've brightened the picture a little bit and you can just make out my fingers to the side here, and what you would do is pinch apart or pinch in to get that zoom in and out. Now bear in mind when you're doing this, it is a digital zoom. It's not an actual physical zoom that's in the back of the phone. So it is quite limited in terms of what it can do. You're not able to zoom into a vast landscape and get a clear photo from a long distance. It does sacrifice picture quality when you do zoom in. So from that respect, you might want to make sure you're always in the highest picture setting when you're taking pictures or videos. So within the interface, you can see we've got some icons across the top and we've got some icons across the bottom. I won't go into these icons across the top apart from the one in the left where the cog is. We go into there to access a lot of the features for the phone, and I'll go over them in a minute. These three in the middle are not permanent. You can change those icons to any of the other features that are available from this area here. So if we select that, you can see all the different settings, and we can simply hold, drag and drop, and then take one of these other ones and put them up like so. So we can change those icons. You can see the icon on the right here, which is the camera. We can't change that, and all that does is just flip the camera that you're currently using from the back camera to the front camera. Then down the bottom, if we start at the left, we've got the box there, which just takes us back to our photos. So for example, the last photo or the last video that you took will always show up here, and you can press that and go in there and edit or view anything that you've just taken. You've got your mode, and we'll cover modes in a separate video. You've got your big button there to take photos. You've got your button on the right there, which takes you into the video mode, and immediately as soon as you press it, it will start recording. So effectively the still camera and the video camera are tied in together, and the settings apply to both of them. And as soon as you press the video camera button, it will start recording. And then you've got this little icon down in the bottom right. That just tells us kind of what's going on with the camera at the moment. Now, because I've got it set in auto mode, which you can see up there with the word auto, it's just telling us some of the features or the modes that it's set up in. If I turn auto mode off, that icon will disappear and may or may not be replaced by any of the other features or settings or modes that you've enabled. So that concludes the video on the camera interface basics. Watch the next video where I go into some of the features that you can get from the top left icon.